Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. I am Tata Punch. Price starting at 5.80 lakhs. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi nginwan ra amangi hakir dobyeng jongpi.
MDC jong Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council hapo ka jingalam jong Chief Executive Member uba Titus Tarwell Khan hakhat sautarek unailur arajar arpuar kilai kendu kerpang yu menteri rangba gajala o Konrad Kongkal Sangma ban penpaw ya jing persya halo ka jing pentrekam jong sarkar jala ya Criminal Procedure Code bat ka Code of Civil Procedure hak jing kran bigilat pathai khubor o Konrad Sangma ulai thu lo ka jing pentre ya CrPC bat ya CPC kan kta satya ki kashiri jong ki district council henry kini ki nyaj be kumba julong nadu menchua kadba nakaliang ba Titus Tarwell Khan ulong man nakaliang jong Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council kampala ban shim yaka la an pediang ne on KYNTAIT ban pentrekam ya CrPC ba ya CPC henry yakani garai on sa shim ha khatsan terek unailur arajar arpuar daga jingemir jingmut lang jong ki laiphungut ki MDC.
As you're aware that the state government and the cabinet had deliberated this particular issue more than 3 times in the cabinet, and also we have discussed this matter with the district council. This is the second time that we're having this meeting to clear off all the confusion or misunderstanding or differences that could be there. And the message that we have given to the district council is that the entire purpose of really coming out with this notification is to allow the judicial magistrate to continue the work and the functions that were being done by the ADC judiciary when the executive and judiciary was not segregated. That is the only intention and objective of this notification, nothing beyond that. And the question of diluting the powers of the district council or interfering in the village courts or changing the procedures in the district council is absolutely not there. So there's no question. The provisions and the powers of the district council courts are protected by the provisions in the constitution. And a notification, no matter how many times we may change things, the wording we may change, anybody can try to interpret the notification in any way. The most important protection that the district councils and the courts and district councils have is through the provisions of para 4 and 5 in the 6th schedule. And hence, no notification can supersede that. The intention and the spirit and objective of this notification is purely and purely simply to complete and regularize the process of separation from executive from the judiciary, so that now that ADC judiciary is not there anymore, the district session judge and the court can function and do their jobs as was being done by the ADC judiciary. So that was where confusion was. There were concerns by the district council that the cases between tribals and tribals will now be shifted. We have very clearly said there's no question of that. Under para 4, it has been clearly defined that these kind of cases will be tried by the district council courts. So even if any notification or even if there's any kind of cases that were to go, the district council's courts will prevail and their stand will prevail because it is protected by the constitution. So these clarifications were made, and I'm pretty sure that after a number of rounds of discussion, I'm sure that the council also is more or less convinced, and we are moving ahead with this spirit and with this objective that the district council courts and their powers will not be diluted in any way, and this entire exercise is only to regularize the separation between the executive and the judiciary.
Nakaliang kecungi ila dia biar discuss biar mentan kalau ketika notification kepada government kepada jangan suka penyetu itu ini bah nakaliang kecungi mentan in saya kendu saya kesini step yang kepada shim ke final call kalau ini but hoi lapor sutu ini bah kumba kalong kini ke notification kanung kata ya ki district council code kecungi nangkai ki subordinate code bat kunjung ya ki village code kabamut hi ka CrPC bat CPC kanum apply ha ki code ki namar bangi ngidon ya ka constitutional provision ya ka kum ka para 4 bat para 5 ka constitution te bat ha bejing ade lu bat ki case ki ba dei ha pedang ki tribal bat ki tribal hi ka trial kadang dei hi bat ki district council code ini ki district session code kinum la pan try ya ke jing ade ya pada ki tribal kita tang kiwe ki case ki ba let's say ki ba ki kut ki jungi ki tribe ka pokso ba kiwe ki criminal case ya kini ikan kan kaju ika spirit na syuang lengkuat ipi kaju ika spirit ka ba ngijule baru kata kan ikan continue ila ya keren ba namar ba ngam kwa ang ni ban keren nama kini ki legal aspect legal matters kiba ngadangi issue expose akan education ru teng kala ban wanra ka misinterpretation tenang kata-kata ngi kwa ba ka notification ikan long simple nang ba kan wanra pat ka misinterpretation da kum wipat ho ya kata la pensya yangi ba kan dilute ya ka pawas ka jungi namar bale kum kalau ong ipi ba ka pawas ka jungi ka district council court ba ki additional superior court ba ki village court kin tri kambe kum bajutre kuat kum ka spirit jongka CrPC kabamut kal in letter kanom apply kalau kawai kalau ba ngin make a decision but nama ko balong mentang ngidang ya ngidang siwan kum ni ngimpat ai kan ka final decision kala syai sa.
Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.